Hey everyone, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous morning. Well, I am. I feel a heck of a lot better than I did yesterday, and it's another beautiful day in Armada, Michigan. So, 5th day of the 150th celebration Armada Fair situation, and we're off to the races a little bit early today. As you can tell, the sun is not over the house, and I'm not being blinded. But I had a great rest in the van. Temperatures were great. And what else can I say? I don't know. The refrigerator ran well. Yeah, it really did. I just turned it off. Let's check that out real quick. I ran out of food. Ate it all. I don't know if I'm doing that right, but I ate all my food. It's gone, and I'm just going to turn it off, wipe it out, and leave it open while I'm gone. And everything's tidy in the van. You know me, spick and span, just like everything in its place. And I just leave it that way, so when I come back, I'm happy to be in there. But anyhow, it's a beautiful day today, as you can see, another beautiful day, and we're looking forward to having fun at the fair today. I hope you guys are all having a fabulous morning and have a fabulous day today. I'll catch up with you guys at the fair. So that's that. I'll see you there. Okay, here's the horse pull, and they are attempting to hook up this team of horses to this weighted sleigh, but as you can see, the horse on the left there is having a really difficult time joining up with the horse on the right, and his bridle is not on properly, so they're going to have to fix that first and get him in order before they can move on, and then they'll try it again. Try it again. His halter was so messed up I could see it. There we go. Much better, much better. Wow. Wow.
Tractor driver, we need more weight.
Massive. Okay, I just heard that was 7,000 pounds, and they just added another plate. This is another 1,000 pounds, so we're up to 8,000 pounds that these horses are pulling. Unbelievable. Oh, okay, so they're 500 pounds each. Now it'll be 8,000 pounds.
Okay, the sponsors for the horse pull and the fair are around this arena. We want to thank.
He's got to get those
down here. He's giving
plates. Oh, look at that precision right on those rods. Wow. Nice.
Okay.
Alright, so these guys are attempting to drop this team of horses onto the weighted sleigh, but just look at the power there. Look how strong these horses are. Unbelievable. But they do have control over them, and they will get them to back up here. Hook them up. Just look at that. Look at the control. We're going to drop it right on there and watch them just take off. These horses are massive. Just look at that. This is 8,000 pounds they're pulling.
Beautiful pull.
Hey ladies, how are we doing?
Doing good. This is the calm before the storm. Lots of nuts today.
Whew. Wait, repeat that please.
I ate like a savage. So we are large for regular.
we are, back in the van, and once again, I'm glad to be here. Had a great day at the fair. It was a long day, but a good day. It was super duper hot, probably the hottest day we had, in my humble opinion, and the busiest day at the nut booth. Yeah, so I saw, pardon me, I was able to get out a little bit and get a little bit of video and just walked around, and my son was there today with his robotics team from school, so that was kind of cool, and got to see him and hang out with him for a little bit. Loved that. And what else? That's it. It was a good day. Really had a good day today. And so tomorrow is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to go and set up at the fair with my cousin Sue and Monica, her sister-in-law, and I'm going to give them a hand, and then I'm going to be on my way because I have a wedding to go to Saturday night. So I won't be there on Saturday. Well, anyways, everything's cool. I have to check the temps. What do we got here? 58 and 70. We'll go this way. 58 outside and 70 in the van. So that's really, really comfortable. And I've slept like a rock in here. I always do. I'm so comfortable in this van. I don't know. I think it's a small space thing. You know, when you sleep in small spaces, you just kind of feel comfortable. Like if you have a house that has a living room and a little den, it's kind of like you don't want to be in that ginormous living room by yourself. You'd rather be in your small, cozy den. I think that's kind of how it is here. And as you can see, I've got my fairy lights going, and they are... I'm going to leave them up and see how long they stay up, actually, driving around. But anyhow, yeah, everything's good. I am so tired once again. I think it was a 12-hour day today. I think we got there at 10:30 or so, and we left at 10:30 p.m. or so. So yeah, very long day, but a lot of fun. So I will catch you guys later. I'm gonna hit the sack, and we'll see you later. Until then.